this is my end of the day report for April 13, 2026. So what happened to my entire day was, again, application. Although I have an update, but I'm not gonna reveal it yet because I don't want to be jinx about it. So yeah, about that, it's soon. I'm gonna release that result in a very short time, because I'm just waiting for the result of that application, and let's see what that result will be. And in terms of my entire day, uh, I did all the works, application, the habits that I'm building. Still strong, although I wasn't able to perform push-ups yesterday because I was really tired. And today I was able to have go for a run, which is really good. So that's all for my end of the day report, and I'll see you on my next video.